There were 9 heavens and earth for me. The vast embrace of mother is a place for me. Every movement was a sign of happiness for me. The word itself was meaningless to me. Pain. If someone used to make me cry when I was a child, I used to enjoy Shoorsh Zanjeer Dar. Hi, he sleeps all the time, moon. He found his journey soundless in the torn cloud. Keep asking about his mountain and desert news, and that surprise lies in expedient. The eyes were dedicated, the lips were inclined to speak. The heart was not mine, the whole taste was inquiring.